School District Supervisor, Mrs. Amelita L. Pineda, to our dedicated teachers, our diligent school staff, proud parents and family, honored guests, and to my fellow candidates for completion, a very pleasant afternoon. Today is not just another school ceremony, but rather a momentous day filled with memories of our struggles, victories, and growth. A moment that reflects how far we've come, not just as mere students, but as competent individuals, ready for whatever comes as we move toward the next stage of our high school life. Our team, Filipino graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character, reminds us the importance of finding balance and developing both aspects. Competency is about doing things right, while character is about doing the right thing. And here in school, we gain knowledge and enhance skills. And at the same time, we develop values that will help us use those skills and knowledge the right way. Learning to balance the two is a lifelong process. And though we still have a lot to learn at this age, we can say that we are proud of what we are now, no matter how big or small progress we have made. My fellow candidates, as we look back on what brought us to this moment, I am sure you will all agree that the journey was never easy. Behind every smile today were stress, pressure, and moments when we questioned ourselves. There were times we felt lost, tired, and unsure if we were doing enough. But if given a chance to go back and restart our junior high school days, I would like to quote from the song Saranggola, which says, "Wala akong babaguhin ni isang detalye." Yes, I would never want to change anything, including the bad days. Why? Because those days also help us to grow. We struggled, but somehow we found ways to cope and survive. Through laughter with friends, encouragement from our teachers, guidance from our loved ones, and above all, the strength we get from our God Almighty. With unwavering determination, we grew up together in the second home. And that is a bond that is truly special. And today, we are the main characters of this event. To cherish those bittersweet memories, learn from every fall, and celebrate every small victory. To our esteemed guests and loved ones, in front of you are individuals who have faced challenges, risen through them, and now ready to take on the world. With courage, with character, and with hope. And we are more than happy to move forward with you, supporting and cheering us from the sidelines. On behalf of these bright-eyed learners of Batch 2025 to 2026, I am honored to welcome everyone to our Moving Up ceremony. Thank you and good afternoon.